Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you that how you can use the VEO AI to generate your videos. So first of all, what we have to do, simply we have to create our account on the VEO AI. And after creating our account, as you can see now we are in the VEO. Now simply we have to click on this new project option. And after clicking on the new project option, as you can see now simply what we have to do, we have to provide the prompt here. We have to provide the prompt for the video which we want to generate here. For example, what I'm going to do, I'm going to write the chat GPT here, and after opening the chat GPT, I'm going to ask to the chat GPT that write the prompt for our VO AI video. So as you can see, I have given command to the chat GPT, and now I'm going to copy the prompt from here, and I'm going to paste the prompt here on the VO AI, and then we have to hit this button, and after clicking on that, as you can see, it is not generating because we don't have more credits, but you have to follow the same process as I did. As you can see, when you will click on the profile section, you will be able to see the 0 credits here because I don't have any credits. If you want the credits, you have to upgrade it, and after that you have to follow my steps, and then you will be able to generate the video on the VO AI. And I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can generate the video VO AI. So thank you for the watching, and see you in the next video.